So I've been testing this out here all night. It's been raining off and on, showering all night. It's been very foggy. Just wanted to test this, and the ground is still dry in here. It's a slight bit of dampness. That's just because of the fog, but it is not wet at all. In here, these here haven't really caused a problem, but we're supposed to have more rain all day today, so I'm going to leave it up. I'm going to keep checking this area. I can see it right back to about here, almost the about 4 inches from the start of here, where it came down a little bit, you know, in the front and such, but you're way back there. Still dry in here, the tarp and such, so we're good thus far. We'll see how it works during the day. Thus far, this is working pretty darn decent, I gotta say. It's nice and dry here on the ground. It's been out, like I said, all day today, plus last night as well. So this is a downpour and it's working very well. I'm going to show you the hole there and just show you how it's actually running down through. See how that's running right there. And nothing's coming in here. So that's really raining out. So I'm laying right out here on the ground, and it's actually been thunder and lightning, but it's just pouring in, you know, just pouring out there. And I'm actually dry in here. It's nice, the ground's still dry and such. Like I said, I'm not getting wet at all. It felt a little moist just from the fog that we had last night, but not even to the point that it was wet. It's not wet. I'm laying here and the ground is dry. The arms on this, it seems like they're working great. There's right here is a little damp, and that's from condensation kind of thing on both sides. The one on that side, every once in a while it is damp. You can see a little bit, but same thing as this is damp, but the rest of the tarp isn't. That's quite a win, and that would not be cool if one of these pegs pulled out right now. I would get pretty wet. But yeah, it's working good. It's working well. Would I use it in one of my kits for an emergency shelter? I just seen a drip out of a spot here on the other side, but listen to that. It's like pouring, like you couldn't get any harder of a rain. Yeah, I would use this as an emergency shelter for sure. I just seen this drip too. So it's not coming in through at all. This is wet. It's damp right here. So just condensation or something. I'm not sure, but can you actually take these and bring them down? Well, it actually, if you don't pull the arms out, this tends to sag more down. So if you actually pull it out, it helps keep your tent more taut, so it actually runs out better. I can stay back here I'm beyond this. If it does drip, like I said, I can put my water bottle out here. Well, there's the thunder. I think I'm gonna go inside, but so you just seen a drip. But wow, I wanted a good test. It's a good test. So thanks for watching. Make up your own mind. I could totally see me throwing it in a kit and using it for an emergency shelter for sure. Yeah. Great test. Thanks for watching.